So one of my family members came around the other day and I noted the tailgate on her ML had failed. She was supporting it with her head. This is a very heavy door compared to some of the station wagons, and it's actually pretty easy to do compared to the station wagons actually. As always, when doing these jobs, support it with a broom or have a second adult to support this, because these doors are heavy and you don't want them coming down on you. So getting them off is actually very easy compared to a station wagon, and at the lower end you've just got a simple clip with a little groove to lever out with your screwdriver. The thing won't pop off immediately once the clip's off, but you can gently nestle it. So it's a 30 size torque screw for the top end, and there's 2 to go in the counterclockwise rotation. Obviously this is why you need the broom or someone supporting the tailgate, because it will guillotine down otherwise. So these struts are made by Stabilis, who make a number of components for Merc, including engine dampers on some of our older Benzes. Dad bought this ML new in '99. You can see the strut date, the last 2 digits, 1999, printed on there. So here's the new one, made in 2020. The struts should have some damping compared to the old one. You can see that, how easy that is. So I just give it a bit of a clean up, just gently get some of the grease, and I didn't actually happen to have any grease, so I just put some graphite powder in there for what it's worth. Each side literally takes about 5 minutes to do. It's pretty simple. The main nuisance here is actually just having a second set of hands to hold the door or supporting it, but otherwise it's a pretty simple thing. So you can then just push the lower end on, just click that on. And what was interesting, that even with one strut replaced, it's not enough to actually support the tailgate, which is not the case on wagons. Wagons, you can generally have one good strut and one dodgy strut. It'll still be adequate. That's not the case with this heavy door. So take 2 for the other side, which is a bit quicker now you know what you're doing. So another old strut, 1999, comes off. This is how the new ones are packaged, and you can see the part number here, specific for the 163. I'm not sure if it fits A classes and B classes at the same time, but imagine probably a pretty similar, or would be the same part. So here's the new one, made in 2020, and on it goes. And after you're done, it supports its own weight and doesn't come down, and it also shuts at a certain point. Open it.